Hello, this is a video on more percent applications. This is percent tweet number 24. My name is Jim Olson. To find these slides, you can go to my home page, Jim Olson's home page, and scroll down to 24% tweets and click 24% tweets. These are 24 important things to know about percent, and this is number 24. You can click the slides here and can view the slides. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about markups, markdowns, and also how percent can actually be the units. We can have percent change on percent data. As a reminder, if we're doing percent change, it's nice to use a graphic organizer where we put the original amount in a box on the left, the new amount in a box on the right, the amount of change down here on the bottom, which is the difference, and the percent change up here. Typically, we know 2 of the 4 numbers, and we have to figure out the rest. We have 2 useful relationships. The definition of percent change, which is percent change equals amount of change over original amount. And we have percent remaining, which is also a nice formula. Original times percent remaining is new amount. Now, what's percent remaining? If we're increasing, the percent remaining is larger than 100%. It's 100% plus the percent change. If it's decreasing, the percent remaining is less than 100%. It's 100% minus the percent change. So let's take a look at an example of markup. So let's say we're in business. Retailers, in order to make money, take their cost of an item and increase this amount to get the retail price. Percent remaining works well to get the retail price. Our example, if the cost of a pair of jeans from the manufacturer is $16 and the store marks up the price by 80%, what is the retail price? Here's the original, which is 16. Our percent remaining is 180%, and that's going to give me the new amount, which will be the retail. So we take 16 times 1.8, and we get $28.80. $28.80 will be the retail price. Now let's do an example of a markdown. Retailers, in order to attract customers and get rid of extra inventory, take their retail price of an item and decrease it to get a sale price. Percent remaining works well here also. In our example here now, we have the regular price, the retail price of a sweatshirt is $30, and the store marks it down by 40%. What is the sale price? The original is 30 times 60%. The percent remaining is 60%, and that's going to give us the new amount. 60% is 0.6. 30 times 0.6. is $18. So the sale price is $18. The next thing I'd like to talk about in this video is how we can have percent change on percent data. Sometimes the original data is in percent form. When describing the change, the media, newspapers, CNN, and so on will report a couple of things. They might report the number of percentage points of change or the percent change. Let's see how this works. In this example, we have the following situation. In August, the percent of people approving of the president was 80%. And in September, it went up to 82%. We're asking 2 questions. First of all, A, find the number of percentage points of change, and number 2, the percent change. The answer to question A is just 2 percentage points. the percent of people approving the president went up by 2 percentage points. However, to calculate the percent increase, we take change over original, which would be 2 over 80, and that's 0.025, and changing that to a percent, we get 2.5%. So there's a 2.5% increase. Now let's look at the next example. In 2008, 40% of the people in Polk County owned a Ford vehicle. In 2009, the percent of Ford owners in Polk County was 37%. Same two questions. Find the number of percentage points of change and the percent change. The number of percentage points of change is 3 percentage points. The answer to question A is the percent of people owning a Ford went down by 3 percentage points. However, to calculate the percent change, we take change over original, 3 over 40. 3 divided by 40 is 0.075, which is 7.5%. So the percent decrease in people owning a Ford was 7.5%. So, in conclusion, for markups and markdowns, percent remaining works well. And you can have percent change on percent data. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.